Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream easy. This incredibly simple method requires just 2 ingredients, making homemade ice cream accessible to everyone. You'll need 1 pint of heavy cream, which forms the rich, creamy base, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk for that perfect sweetness. No special equipment is needed, just a bowl and a whisk or mixer. Let's get started on this delicious treat. Now for the fun part. First, pour your cold heavy cream into a large mixing bowl. Using an electric mixer or a whisk, beat the cream on high speed until it becomes thick and forms stiff peaks. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, gently fold in the entire can of sweetened condensed milk until the mixture is smooth and uniform. Be careful not to overmix, as this can deflate the cream. Once your base is ready, it's time to customize. You can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a classic flavor, or mix in 1/4 cup of cocoa powder for a rich chocolate version. For a fruity twist, swirl in a 1/2 cup of berry puree. Crushed cookies, chocolate chips, or chopped nuts also make fantastic additions. Pour your flavored mixture into a shallow, freezer-safe container, ensuring it's evenly spread. Finally, cover your container tightly with plastic wrap or a lid and place it in the freezer. For best results, freeze for at least 6 hours, or preferably overnight, to achieve a firm, scoopable consistency. When you're ready to enjoy, let it sit at room temperature for about 5 minutes to soften slightly before scooping. This easy 2-ingredient ice cream is perfect for any occasion. Remember to check the description for the link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.